Hi guys, so this is the car we're gonna paint. It's wet. We need to clean it first, so we're gonna clean it and then
and then we're
prepare
going
for
to
paint.
Yeah.
So we have the primer.
Primer.
We have all the colors to do.
Guys.
We have all the colors to do our camouflage color. And let's prepare it then.
Daddy,
Let's get to work.
it's surface primer.
Monkey Bros.
Okay, something that you need to be aware of, I just found out. The car comes with this kind of plastic skin. You need to peel that off before you start painting.
Oh, can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it.
I'll help
Because
you.
you're
Just
peeling.
be gentle.
Let me to wait, huh? Going to pull the red.
It also comes with the stickers for you to keep the windows clear. Let's apply this before we apply the primer.
Yeah.
Okay, something that we have just noticed is that this car is actually supposed to be painted from inside. It's quite clever though, because if you flip the car, it doesn't scratch the paint. We have found out because of the sticker here. It was supposed to go here. So what we have done, we have inverted the side because for us to do the hydro dip painting, we have to do from the outside.
The ground.
Guys, now my dad is like using this primer out on the car. After
primer.
Oh,
Oh boy.
beauty.
Okay, so I improvised some handles with sellotape here. So this is the plan for me to dip that into the water. I think it's pretty much dry now and ready for painting. So, Sebastian, you want this spoiler in black?
Yeah. Well, can I do a purple first? Work.
Okay, so
It's time.
that's time, boys.
Yeah, but we don't know if it's going to work.
What? It was not supposed to happen, was it?
Yeah, but it's working.
No, it's not. It's like a big stain.
You don't need to be like that.
It's not working. Maybe. Okay, let's keep doing that.
This is so cool. Can I sit down in the ground, Dad?
Hmm?
Can I sit down? So I can do the paint here, can you? I can see the paint fall. Can I see the paint falling down?
Now that is what they call
Epic!
oh, okay.
It's getting up and up.
Okay, someone needs to clean the water here.
Me.
It's here. The plastic is with mommy. Mommy does it. No, mommy doesn't do it.
I can do it.
Slowly, Sebastian. Yeah, Jane. Sebastian, just one side only. There. Guys, the result is insane. I really love it. I love it.
Guys, comment down below how you think it actually looks like.
Let's let it dry.
And comment down below to see what
Oh,
you think.
it's crazy. It's sick, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's so sick.
Sweet.
Can I just show something, guys? Comment down below. Comment down below. So then we see the results how we work to the car. But now then put the
Something another device.
the light grey.
No, another device is you really need to put gloves before you do that because look at your hands.
We will go.
Okay guys, so this is the final results of the car. We are glad with that. However, what did we do wrong? We covered the windows from the outside. When we dipped that into the water,
Paint got in the.
yeah, the paint
Well,
got into the inside.
Well, can I show why I like it? Because it looks like mud just splattered on the window.
Yeah, it actually looks like mud on the windows. But so what you're gonna do? We're gonna buy a new body, and we're gonna try again. We're gonna have another shot. So, but this time we know that we should paint the inside instead of the outside.
Yeah.
And stick with
the
us.
paint will go all over the window.
If you have any comments, write that down below and subscribe to see our next video. So we're gonna try another.
Yeah, but guys, you know what I think we should do? I think in the next time, when we buy another body, we should take the windows and then paint it and then take the windows back on.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Yeah, I think if we take the windows, it's going to be a bit more cooler that there will be like no paint.
Okay, thank you for watching
Daddy, wait.
and see you next time.
Bye. Leave a like on this video so then you have 15 years of amazing life.
Okay, thank you guys.